Are you interested in buying a home? I'm going to share 5 tips to help during the home buying process. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Teresa O'Connell with Teresa Loves NJ and Keller Williams NJ Metro Group. New to this channel, I'm a realtor in northern New Jersey that likes to share information about communities and real estate topics. Now, I'd like to share my tips on buying a home. Stay through to the end and receive a free buyer's guide. Number 1, get pre-approved. Pre-approval can be confused with pre-qualification. Pre-approval means you've completed a mortgage application and that the information has been verified in terms of your debt, income, assets, and employment. Pre-qualified is when you've provided your overall financial picture to the lender, but does not include an analysis of your credit or an in-depth look at your ability to purchase a home. Number 2, select your real estate agent. Find someone that knows the area and housing market you'd like to live in and that you feel comfortable with. Your agent will listen to your wants, needs, and community preferences in order to find the right home, guide you through the process, provide information on resources you may need, help with negotiations, and make sure things stay on track. Each transaction is unique, and an agent will help navigate through any bumps along the road. Number 3, assemble your team. Select your lawyer, lender, inspector, and vendor for insurance. After you found a property, submitted an offer, and have it accepted, it's time to get your team involved. You have 3 days to have an attorney review and make any changes to the contract. During this time, either buyer or seller can terminate the contract, so each party is vulnerable. If you don't have an attorney, a trusted friend, family member, or your agent can suggest someone. But the important thing is to make sure that your attorney's practice is at least 50% real estate. You can find this out by looking on Avo. When it comes to choosing a lender, make sure the lender is licensed, responsive, and has a reputation for keeping things on track. Your home inspector should also be licensed, highly rated, and experienced in the types of homes in your area. Your agent can also help you find any of these service providers. Number 4, keep the transaction on track. This is not the time to be passive. You'll need to stay in touch with your attorney, lender, inspectors, and of course your agent throughout this process. Stay on top of your lender and make sure that the appraisal is ordered, the underwriting process is underway, and that the commitment is on its way. Stay on top of your attorney to make sure that any issues that come up are communicated and resolved. Your attorney will order a title search and survey. Your agent will also help with keeping on top of all these issues. Number 5, get ready to close. Pack your belongings, line up your mover, have your homeowner's insurance in place, and get ready to call all your vendors for things like phone, internet, gas, electric, water, so they know when to transfer or start services. Most importantly, get your cash to close ready. Your attorney will advise on how to organize the funds for closing. I want to emphasize that during this process, from offer to closing, do not finance anything from a car to running up your credit card. Prior to closing, your lender will be verifying your employment and checking your credit once again. These are just some of the many things involved in a real estate transaction. If you'd like a copy of my free buying guide, just click on the link in the description below. Happy home hunting. Oh, and if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe.